Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody, it's a little bit after 9 o'clock and it's on Sunday. And it's very chilly out here today. It's very unusual for this time of year to have such chilly weather. I'll show you my new little fountain I made the other day. I found this saucer. It's a plant saucer at Lowe's, and it's plastic. It's a heavy-duty plastic, kind of sort of a terracotta brownish color. And I ordered that little fountain, and it's got a little one of these solar panels. And the more sun that's on the solar panel, the better the spray. And it comes with a whole bunch of different ends, different kinds of sprays. But I don't really want it to spray up real high, because I don't want the water to go out all over the table. I have to keep filling it up. But I bought all those little rocks that's in it for $1 a bag at Dollar Tree. They're just, I wanted to place them down in there and kind of hide the bottom of the little fountain thing. I got the little frog, put him in there too. And that's over here on this table. And I'll keep moving that little solar panel around. See how it's kind of going up and down and up and down. And the more you put it into the sun, the more it will spray. Now this afternoon, the sun will be on this table, fully on the table, and that will charge up nicely. And it won't keep pulsating like that. My other one isn't going right now because it's doing a little bit, but yeah, it's trying. But there's not enough sun on it to charge that one up yet. So I wanted 2 of them out here. I like that one a lot, but I like that one too. That's pretty. So let me show what I made. I have a hummingbird feeder around here, and I noticed ants all over it the other day. And I thought, I've got to fix that. I've got to stop that. And look what I made. It's called an ant moat. I took a coat hanger and cut off the top part of a ginger ale bottle because I wanted the green to kind of match the leaves up here. And I made a hook to hang my bird feeder on, or my hummingbird feeder. And I used hot glue right up in here, inside, because I had to make a hole in the lid for the wire to come through. And now I fill it with water, and the ants come down, but they can't come on down, and they'll drown in the water. They can't do that. So I don't have to. The reason I did it, you can buy these, but why buy them when you can make one? The reason I made it like this and wanted this big one is most of the ones you see for sale are small, and so the water evaporates too quickly. And that's why I wanted one that would hold more water. And that way, I don't have any ants in my on my hummingbird feeder. And my tomatoes are doing well. These are those little cherry cherry tomatoes. Y'all know. Okay, look here what I did. I got new chairs. Actually, these aren't new. They're new to me. But my son had these at his house. And he washed them and cleaned them up for me and brought them up here. I've got another one right over there for now. But these are a lot more sturdy than those I had out there, those black ones. So I put them out there. A lot more sturdy, and they've got nice arms on them so I can get up and down easily. Here's my other cherry tomatoes. Got a lot of blossoms. This week, sometime or another, we're supposed to have near freezing temperatures. I can't believe it. So I'm going to have to cover up my tomatoes. And there's this package of wildflower seeds that I threw in here sometime in March. Look how many flowers are coming up. Have no idea what they're going to be. It doesn't matter to me. I got that at Dollar Tree also. But look, there's going to be a lot of something coming up, isn't there? And look at this tomato. It is really growing. Look at that little, there's going to be a tomato up there, y'all. Sure enough. That's a big guy, isn't it? And I got one here too. There they are, right in there. Yep. Growing up. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I did. This is going to be interesting. Ta-da! I did this morning. Around 8 o'clock I got out here and I bought my paint. Now y'all, my paint was supposed to come in on Wednesday. I had ordered it from Walmart. And I had started out with 3 gallons, just ordered that. Well, I waited 3 weeks for it. And the night before it was to be delivered on a Wednesday. So Tuesday evening, I got an email saying it had been back ordered. Well, that is not acceptable. Nope. I've waited 3 weeks. There's no telling how long I would have to wait. It didn't even give me an indication of when it might come in. It didn't say days or months or whatever. So I went online and looked up paint. I went to Home Depot's site, went to Lowe's site, and I compared the paints. Lowe's one with $10 a gallon less than Home Depot. And I can't exactly remember the name of this. Sunny Day or something like that. Now right now it looks really, really bright because it's next to the old white that's up there. And here's the old yellow up there. So see the difference in this one? Although this one right here is real faded. And so this will fade out. But I wanted to get out here. I couldn't wait to open that paint. Get out here and see what it was going to look like. And I actually like it. I like it a lot. I think I'm going to really enjoy that. I think it's going to be pretty. Then I can put all my little iron stuff that I've got to go up there on that wall. My welcome to Texas and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. I got that this morning. I'm going to do some more today. I got the roller ready for when I could go up that way. And I'm going to do this evening. Just wanted to check in with y'all. Show you what's been going on. I like my new table setup. I think I will enjoy that. Have my coffee out here. And somebody suggested this summer I can have a tall glass of lemonade out here on my table. I'll be glad to do that. Look at the birds over there. They're loving their little area. They're just happy as they can be. And I'm happy to have them. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope y'all have a great day. And as always, I hope God is good to you today. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.